Hi friends, welcome to my channel JJ Pathfinder. Don't forget to subscribe my channel JJ Pathfinder. Today I am sharing the topic is how to make grape wine naturally. Wash the grapes perfectly and remove chemicals. Then completely dry the grapes before start wine making. Add a layer of grapes into the pot. Then add some amount of sugar. And also add some piece of cloves and cinnamon sticks. Add some amount of grapes for making the layer again. Add sugar. Cloves. Cinnamon sticks. Fill the grapes in layered manner inside the pot. Add boiled cool water into the pot. Don't use normal water and hot water. Keeps the level of water same as grapes level. Add some amount of yeast into the pot. Yeast is helpful for fermentation process. Close the pot tight. Shake the grapes by wooden stick after 3 days. Grape wine is ready after 22 days. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, like, comment and share the video and subscribe my channel JJ Pathfinder.